Oh boy, biceps. What's up, guys? It's me, Strong Boy Biceps, and today I'm with Kitty. Good morning. And today we're gonna go out for some canoe. Go out for some canoeing, which I call boat rowing. Okay, let's go. A few moments later. Okay, let's go and collect the ducks and bring those ducks to their mum. Okay, let's turn this way. Okay, come on, you little duck. Come on, little duck. Time to go back to your mother. Okay. Yeah, time to go back to your mother, little duck. Come on, duck. Hey, little duck. Wait, don't run off. We need you. We need to go to your mother. Right, right this way. Oh, there's the little duck. Come on. Wait. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go for a race. Okay, let's go through the dot. Let's go. I wonder what we're gonna look around here. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's beat the ducks. Let's catch up with the ducks. Yeah, let's catch up. Oh, good. Yeah, giddy. Maybe I won. Oh, great. Maybe I lost. I got 79 points and Yuki got 82 points. Okay, guys, do you like our video? Please leave a comment down below and please subscribe and share. And if you like it, click on this bell and we'll see you around for the next episode of Jude of Strong Boy Biceps and Friends. Bye. Bye.